Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the preview and review of the market. Market has closed now, so let's take a look how the market is going to perform in the days to come. So good evening guys. As we usually start, let's start with our Nifty 50. If we take a look at Nifty, Nifty has formed a double bottom which is kind of a sideways. The Nifty is forming a sideways market here. So if the Nifty breaks this previous low, we can expect the Nifty to go around this level, which is around 15,530. If the market breaks and closes below 15,670, 72, somewhere around that, if the market closes below that, we can expect the market to go around 15,530. So if the market does not break this level, if the market gives us a trend reversal here, if the market gives us a trend reversal here, we can expect the market to go again to the previous all-time high. The market has both potential to go down as well as up. So let's wait and see. Which is why I said don't go for entry in Nifty for a few days. Just wait and see if the market gives us a confirmation, a good confirmation. We can go for entries. So the good confirmation will come around this level. If the market breaks the previous high, all-time high, we can go for buy, which is the good confirmation. So Nifty is traveling in a sideways. So let's wait for 1 week or 2 weeks after the market has given us the good confirmation. We can go for entry in Nifty. So this is for Nifty. And if you take a look at Bank Nifty, as you can see here, Bank Nifty also is trying to form a sideways here. If you take a look at 1 hour, the market is trying to come near the previous low, previous level of support. So Bank Nifty also is forming a sideways. Let's wait and see for a few days. If the market gives us a good confirmation, we can go for entry. We'll update you in our coming preview and review shows. Don't worry. This is for Bank Nifty. And if you take a look at gold, as we previously said, the market is currently at the 0.618 level, but the market is forming a sideways here. As you can see here, the market is forming a sideways here. So let's wait and see. Every market, if you take a look at Nifty, Bank Nifty and gold, every market is forming in a sideways. It is in a consolidation, accumulation and distribution zone. So let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. If the market breaks the previous high, we'll we'll take the entry according to what the script says. So let's wait and see. If the market breaks the previous high, we can go for entry, or if the market breaks the previous low, we'll update you in our coming preview and review shows. So gold is also in a sideways trend. After the market has confirmed, we can go for buy-in. Every other scripts in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and as gold as well. So this is for gold. And for crude oil, many people have requested crude oil. As we earlier said, the target will be around $74 if you bought crude oil, and the market has given the target for $74. The market has formed a resistance here. Again, the market has now broken the resistance. So the next target, if you already bought crude oil, so the next target for crude oil will be around $76. The first target will be around $76, and the second target will be around $77. So alright guys, this is your preview and review for today. Thank you. Alright, these are the patterns and structures that are forming in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.